الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة النساء والذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات سندخلهم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها أبدا وعد الله حقا ومن أصدق من الله قيلا. Translation: And to those who believe and do good deeds, we will admit them in gardens of paradise under which flows the rivers. They will live in there forever, a promise of Allah in truth. And who is more truthful than Allah in His words? In the previous ayahs, we studied that how the shaitan misleads the humans, how he gives them false promises, how he makes things beautiful of this world so that the humans forget about hereafter, how he does all the disobediences to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and make humans do all those disobediences to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and these promises and these sinful desires make humans to go in the hellfire. And all what shaitan says is based on the lies and on the falsehood. And in today's ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is explaining about the other group of the people who reject the invitation of shaitan and who believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and who believe in the hereafter and all the books and the prophets and all the good things they believe in. And these people will end up in the paradise. And one very, very important thing to understand and to remember, that the true iman, the true belief will result in the good deeds. And that is the reason when we see this fact in Quran, we find that on multiple occasions the belief and the good deeds come together, as in this ayah. And also we study the same thing in the Surah Asr, that iman and amal saleh come together. Because if the iman is the true iman, if the iman is in the heart and a person believes truly in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he knows that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is just. He knows that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give the rewards for the good deeds, and he will be fearful that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala may punish for the bad deeds, and the human will be trying to do the good deeds all the time. So the true iman is reflected in the good deeds. If somebody is claiming that he believes in Allah and not doing the good deeds, it means that his iman is not a true iman. And then those people who have true iman and who are doing the good deeds will be entered in the paradise. And these paradise have the rivers which are flowing underneath them, meaning that they have the natural irrigation system, and these gardens will be forever green. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives another very big good news, glad tiding in this ayah, that these gardens, these jannahs, these paradise are not for like 50, 60, 70, 80 years like this world. They are forever. Then whoever enters them will stay there forever. And this is the promise of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, a true promise. And who can be more truthful than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Indeed, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the most truthful. And the shaitan al-la'een, the shaitan is the biggest liar among all the liars. So we must pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us among the people of the paradise and help us enter in the paradise. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.